Here we got a 1935 Ford Sedan. She's got the two electric fans in here for extra cooling, especially in this Florida weather. God, hang it up, man. Driving this thing around there. I think it's 5 degrees out here. It's got a nice sweet interior. Black paint. Slick as all hell, man. Nothing's, oh look. Aftermarket gauges that look like they grew there. It's got the old style needles and stuff. And the font that, writes like the mileage. It's like the old style, 60, 80, 100. The old style needle. Those are the electronic gauges. Got the AC coming out the front there. Nice and cool. Look at the floor. It's not even got a mark on it anywhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to see that.
Sweet, man. Looks good. Looks good.